Hi everybody, in this video I will show you our WordPress maintenance services and that our company offer for you for your website built on WordPress. And well, we're a small company that ensure all security and WordPress maintains uh, services on your platform built on WordPress. Um, and we have 24/7 emergency support, mobile and tablet optimization, malware removal if it's necessary. We scan your WordPress website for for find this malware virus and remove this this type of virus. Okay, so now in this moment I will show you our prices or plans for WordPress maintenance services. Well, the first is the basic uh, plan that's called maintain. Is the price is $79 per month. It includes weekly duplicate updates, 24/7 emergency support is necessary, 24/7 uptime monitoring, Google Analytics integration, cloud backups, one per day, and obviously WP Active Lock. And the next plan is Protect, and it has $159 per month, and is for WP sites to need edits and security, and includes all services for maintain plan, and have a security optimization, and have items security pro plugin, and have do daily cloud backups. Okay, and the next plan is perform, is is for advanced functionality for WordPress sites, have all the service from protect and maintain plan, have speed optimization, had mobile tab and tablet optimization, have image and media optimization, had complete malware removal, and cloud backups for per day. Okay, at this point for the backups, it's important that I have to mention that we have a private cloud to make these backups. You don't have to migrate your WordPress site to our hosting or virtual private server, and because we can translate these backups for our servers by FTP protocol, and you don't need to migrate or change your hosting. And for example, if you have 1 gigabyte of hosting plans for storage, and this backup you this backup don't will be storage on your hosting, and will be storage on our hosting that is our private cloud. Okay, so if you want and check out our website, you can check out our website is wwarchitect.com. And anyway, I will put the link on the description below for this website, and check all these these items, these checklists for all different plans that we have, and you can purchase your your plan. For example, if you choose the maintain plan for $79 per month, and you can subscribe, you can go to checkout, and and fill all these these fields, and when you proceed to checkout and finish the checkout, we will contact you in the most soon as possible to start to work in your WordPress maintain services. And well, this is all. If you have any questions or comment below or other feedback, please comment in the box of the comment for this video, and I will um, put the link of this website for choose the plan, compare, and start to work. So um, this is all for this video, and have a have a good day.